Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea and welcome to season 2 of my Itaki Pro series. To kick it off, I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite soups, tom yum soup. From the fragrance of the lemongrass to the tartness of the lime juice, this soup has me swooning and disappearing into a tropical paradise. It was the first meal I had in Bangkok during my Thailand honeymoon, and this is one I really should have done in season 1. So let's just get started. First, take an appropriate portion size of rice noodles for you and soak them in hot water. An appropriate portion size for us is about 1/4 of a package. So here I go with noodle confetti. Okay, so I have my noodles in my bowl. I'm going to add hot water to this bowl and just let them kind of sit there and soften. Next, lemongrass. The one that I normally buy from the store is uncut, but these ones have already been trimmed and peeled, so I don't need to do that. But if you have a long stalk, you're going to have to cut off the top 2/3 of the stalk and the bottom and peel away until you get to this light soft green color inside. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna trim the rough edges and then I'm gonna smash my stalk. You can already smell the fragrance of the lemongrass just by chopping away the ends, and it smells so nice. Now mash up this the stalk here just to help it release some of its oils. To help it fit better inside the Pro, we're going to chop it up a little more. I like using the bottom of my knife because it's right there, but if you don't feel comfortable using this, you could use a meat mallet, or the bottom of a pot probably works pretty well too. Next, smash 1 thumb-sized piece of galangal and 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, so I have a piece of galangal here, which I rinsed. Surprisingly, we found this at our local superstore, and it's a rare find because normally I never see this ever. The thing about galangal is that there's such a unique taste that is quite irreplaceable. While ginger is not a suitable substitute, I guess it's okay if you really cannot find this, but the taste of ginger really does not compare with galangal. It's just different tastes. Okay, so this is a bit bigger than a thumb-sized piece, but I like the taste of it, which is why it's such a big piece, but you don't have to go this big if you don't want to. So we're just going to cut this in half here, and again, just smash it. And now 2 cloves of garlic. Next, we're gonna cut up a small tomato. I'm going with a Roma tomato because this is one of the smaller tomatoes. Sometimes I cut open a tomato, but I don't have a use for the rest of the tomato, which is a waste. And so I try to find the appropriate size that I'm going to be using for my recipe. So Roma tomato it is. We're just gonna dice this. And we're also going to need some kaffir lime leaves. Take 5 leaves. Make sure to crush them for more flavor. We're gonna go ahead and put all of these ingredients into the large metal bowl. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce here, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 chicken drumstick. Now we're going to peel our shrimps. Okay, so I just have 5 shrimps in here. They are shell on, and what's great about shell on shrimp is that you can use the shell to add to your broth to give it a more seafoody flavor. Okay, after your soup is done cooking, you can just fish out the shells. Okay, now that our shrimps are deshelled, we're going to just set the shrimps aside for later. So we're going to add about 2 cups of water in here. If it looks like it's getting too full, don't put the full amount in, otherwise it'll bubble over and go onto your heating plate later. All right, so now we're going to put the lid on the metal bowl here. We can put it in the fridge for later. Okay, let's go back to our noodles here for a second. Now that the noodles have softened, we can drain the water and put them into our container. Okay, so now we're going to cube 1/3 cup worth of extra firm tofu, and we're going to put it in a container. And we're going to slice up some oyster mushrooms and put them in our container again. And we're going to finish off with 1 Thai red chili pepper. And of course, if you can handle your spice, feel free to add more chili peppers to your taste. If you can't handle your spice, feel free to leave this out or reduce the amount of chili pepper you're going to put into your soup. And of course, we're going to garnish with some cilantro. Okay, so about 45 minutes before you're ready to eat, we're gonna start cooking. Add 80 milliliters of water to the heating plate. This is about 2 cups of the little cup that comes with the Itaki Pro. Place the large metal bowl back on top of the heating plate. Put the lid on, snap the sides closed, plug in the unit, press the button. Come back 30 minutes later. When the timer is up, open the lid, add in the tofu, mushrooms, the shrimp, and chili. Put the lid back on and let it continue to steam for 15 minutes. Keep the unit plugged in and the Itaki Pro on. Any condensation formed in the unit will drip down onto the heating plate and reactivate the Pro. 15 minutes later, open up the lid and add in the rice noodles. Wait 1 minute and your lunch is ready. And here it is, friends, Tom Yum soup, the perfect soup, at least in your mind and in your tummy. It's warm, tasty, filling, and just absolutely delicious. Thank you again for joining me. Remember to click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below to see the rest of season 2. Until next time, friends. Mwah!